Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i to the application. In the previous video we already installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. Now let's move to adding this device to the app. And firstly we need to pair them with a phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list at the top click Pair New Device button. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. After that we need to enter pairing mode, and we have two options how to do this. We can do it automatically by just open the charging case, and if your device do not connect with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically. Or we can do it manually at the back side of each earbud, so right here and right here we have touch areas. You need to press and hold both of these touch areas until the LED lights start blinking white. And now, after we enter to pairing mode, we should see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then click Pair. Now we can hide the settings and open Hey Melody application. Click Add. And now it found this earbud, so click Connect. Later, I don't need tutorial. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!